Good day, people. Today is Friday, the 20th of February, 2026. Now it's 3:27 p.m. on a Friday, after Friday, the 20th of February, 2026. I don't know what they're doing, but I got better. I got the entire thing again. I'm not sure what they're doing. I think they're putting out line for me wrong, which they did yesterday. That was thought it was putting out line for me that they put down. I don't know if they're still doing that. Putting it back on. I don't know what it is. But I kind of concept of the run here, like I try to get the rig itself, the truck, and part of for what they're doing. We usually do the same thing I did down yesterday, pulling up line again, I think. I'm not sure, because the rack off line they have there blocked it, so I can't see properly. When the camera is getting it good, I'm not really looking at the screen. But I think what they're doing at the point out line again, or they're putting back down lines again. I'm not sure what they're doing now. After I saying that, so in case anybody asks me in the comments what they're doing, that's not, I don't know exactly what they are doing. I'm too sure if the service in the well, if the drilling, what they're doing. I don't know what they are doing, so I don't know what really they are doing. But from what I can see now, I feel like they're pulling up something or they're putting on something. Like I said, I was pulling up the lines that they put down, but after I could not see. But it have it in a little rafting kind of thing there. One this side, one that side, something like that. So I was seeing a set of black lines. for long that enough stopping up that long video again. But it looked like they are putting back down the line that I took out yesterday. It looked like they're putting it back down. But again, I'm not too sure. But this is the best spot where I can get a better view of it and a better view with the camera, everything. It's windy as well, I very camera and the phone doesn't even go down the phone. It looks like they are putting back down the line that they pulled out yesterday. So it looks like they're putting back down the line again. So maybe tomorrow again maybe take up on the line. I think maybe they have I'm not too sure all about this drilling how it work. But yesterday they pulled out the line. The Wednesday I think they put down the line. Then the Thursday yesterday they pulled out the line. So I was also visioning, but I wasn't getting it good. Mind then thinking about coming from here to try to do the videos. I could get the like it like this. I know don't mind I do it from a distance, but I don't want to go close to this. But to say above, I don't want to again. For the last time I did when I had a radio, just said I want to be a camera. So here you can't see the face, so nobody cannot see nothing like the scene is there on camera. You cannot see the face, which is good. You're just seeing look like people, right? but it looks like they're putting back down the lines that they took out yesterday. That's what I'm seeing. Most of the time I try my best not to get the people face in it. But getting the people in it, that's nothing, but you don't know who is the people. But again, it looks like they are putting back the line that they took out. They put the pipeline that they took out, they put it back down. I think one of the rock is to get empty. We had more lines in it, I seen less now, so I have to finish it and then I have to finish the other set. And put back down all, and then maybe tomorrow they're going to take it out back again. But I don't know how the drilling thing works. A long time, I think maybe I was a kid or something, but I really can't remember. Most of them I want to be like a school thing. When I come home, whatever going on, I've seen that. So I can't remember seeing when they put it in there and taking it up like that. This is the first time I've seen it like this. We have a couple of time for today as well. Yeah, so you say they put up two pile of the line one on the like one on the two on the both on the opposite direction on the left side, so one on the left, one on the right. I see one on the pile of the pipeline missing. So look at your ready and back down the lines in the ground. So they wanted them to do a next set now. know if I got join the two videos in one, or I got just upload this one on the video because I was recording a video before then, but the phone ended up falling down. The wind blow down the phone, so again the phone ended up falling down. Because I got join the two videos together, or I just do this one alone. I'm trying my best to see if I can get it so I finish all the pipelines, go down the ground, then I will stop it. I hope nobody passes with music. I hope nobody passes with music and stuff. what they're doing is putting back down the lines in the ground. I don't know how to take it out again. Okay, I think that's how you do this servicing or whatever this is, or drilling or whatever this is. I'm not too sure about this. Again, I haven't seen this in a long time. The last time I saw this was when I was a kid, right this close then. When most of the time you are going to be in the second or third location or across on the other side of the road. The next location was a little further down to the park. I never really go and see it, but when I go, long time when I go, it's going to come to work, I can see.